started recording. Here's the winter storm 2013 March. I just went and got gas a little bit ago. This is where I normally park my Blazer. And this is the Blazer. Four-wheel drive. Even in four-wheel drive, it is stuck. The snow is really wet, so it does nothing. Want to do nothing but spin. Tires. There's the top of the roof of the Blazer. Get a ruler. We'll see what we got on the depth of this stuff. Okay, here we go. We got a ruler. This is on the top of the Blazer. We're right at 10 inches. Let's go see what we can find out in the yard on depth. Here, we'll just stick the ruler right here, and you should be able to see the ruler is just buried in the snow. Now, granted, this might be a little bit of a wind-blown drift in the yard, but still, we'll go over here on the sidewalk. This sidewalk has been shoveled twice today so far. It's right at a foot. I can't tell if I'm getting. God bless it! I just got snow down my pants. The little one threw snow at me. So we're right at a foot on the sidewalk in snow. Well, that was a cap of the March 2013 snowstorm that we got. I'd say we got a good 10 inches plus. And I heard on the radio when I was getting gas that there's supposed to be another 3 to 5 inches overnight. So we're looking at about 13 inches. It's been real fun.